Hey there, fellows. Straight away, I'd like to point out that recently I saw this really fun picture. I showed it to a couple of our experts, and we seem to have differing opinions on the matter. Somebody said it's photoshopped, that it's fake, while others maintain that it's genuine. And so I went and got this lovely wheel from our storage, just one for now. And I went to the store to buy various different LEDs. Well, I mean, it's only two colors. Anyway, so I've already said about the tire. We actually used to use it for racing, yet it's still in excellent condition. And here's the idea. We want to try and copy that picture. We are going to remove all of the studs, down to the last one. And we're going to replace them with these here lovely LEDs. This is going to be very tedious, with all of the soldering, isolating the wires, fitting resistors, batteries, which are probably going to be rechargeable. So yeah, we install those, and we have to figure out how to switch everything off and on. And we do have some idea as to how to set this up. We'll obviously have to run a tire tube in order to be able to put the air in. Once we are done, we fit it to a car and see how it works. We'll start with just this wheel, see how everything goes. Then we'll find some alloys, make a nice set of wheels, try them out on a car, and after that, they're going to become a part of our collage, where they are going to look at the business. Okay, let's get to work, see how difficult this turns out to be and how long it takes. Let's do this. So if you haven't been in our merch shop for a while, we have added a bunch of cool new stuff, such as these handmade wallets and holders made out of genuine leather. It's a must-have for any dude who needs a reliable and convenient place to keep his documents. We also have an assortment of t-shirts, caps, and key fobs with a fresh design. There is a lot to cover, so better you head on over to our shop and check out what we got. For anybody who places an order right now, I'll slip in a card with my picture and my personal autograph. Make sure to use PayPal to pay for your order, so that it goes through with no issues. Add something new to your collection of Garage 54 merch, and receive a card with my autograph. So head on over to our online shop, and the link, of course, is going to be in the description. Replacing tire studs with LEDs. Translation and voiceover by BMI Russian. Right, guys, so here's the plan. Right here I've got the LEDs that I've mentioned, which we've split up. Now the big problem here is the steel tire belt. Why is that a problem? Well, even if you drill through it, it's still not going to be easy to put an LED through. We've already done up a few sleeves in order to make the job a tad easier. In any case, this is going a bit more slowly than we'd like. There are way more problems than solutions. But in any case, we are not taking this lying down. Okay, time for us to get back to work. Right, well, check this out. We've got about 200 LEDs in there. You will not believe how long this took, especially the soldering. That was an entire nightmare of its own, to the point where I was coming home in the evening, closing my eyes, and all I could see in my head was bundles of wires. It happens. So yeah, solder, seal the wires, and once we were done, what we saw inside the tire, yeah, it was pretty insane. Like, what a hot mess of wires, man. But we were able to get everything connected, and as tedious as it was, yeah, this really wasn't a quick process. But we got there. The tire is mounted, full of air, and the lights, they work very well. Take a look at this. Yeah, look at those LEDs shining. So those are obviously placed where the studs used to be, where the studs would be from the factory, which is to say that we did not drill any additional holes. So all of the mounting points for the studs now have LEDs in them. As you can plainly see. And they just look super neat, don't they? However, there's still one more thing we need to do, which is to fit them to a car, of course, and see how they look in that context. Alright, this is in place, everything is good. Now, if I'm gonna be honest here, we did want to tuck these wires inside, but for some reason they're on the outside. No biggie. Let me just carefully hide this, so that you can't see it no more. Excellent. The only thing getting in the way now is this hose. Bring her down. Take it easy. Tremendous. That looks really nice inside the wheel arch. Very nice indeed. Oh yeah, that is just fantastic. At the end of the day, this was such a fun project. What a neat-looking wheel. It's one thing to look at a picture, but when you make one of these yourself, it has a completely different look to it. So yeah, this turned out very well. By the way, it's worth mentioning that 200 LEDs only demand a bit more than a single amp to power up. So a tiny battery will last you a very long time. But yeah, this worked, everything's nice, and you can even drive around. The LEDs are gonna stay in place. Go ahead and try it out, actually. Surprise some people around you. The LEDs we're running are 5mm, though you can get some of the cheaper indicator or what's it called type variety. We decided to opt for some that are really bright, that shine in all directions as opposed to just one spot. And well, there you have it. 400 of them, but oh my god, does this require tremendous patience and a lot of free time to sit down and get the job done. Plus you need a couple of tires, but this particular tire, this one right here, it's staying this way forever. What sucks is that they won't be making these anymore. Hey, if that's what they want to do. But in the meantime, that's all I got for you. Watch us, subscribe, send in your suggestions, comment. Give us a big thumbs up. All right, catch you later.